Hello guys, welcome to Vision channel. Today I want to make a short video for you and show you that MIUI OS on this phone, on my Leeco 3 Pro Elite version, is rooted. So we have a root access here. I tried to root it with King root, but it didn't work. And then we have an alternative from MAGISK. Only thing you need to do is to download latest MAGISK, flash it through the TVRP recovery, and you are done. The phone is rooted and fully functional. To prove my words, I'll show you a root checker, and as you can see, a phone is rooted and root access is properly installed on this device. You can see this message here. So one more time, I have no issues so far on this phone. Everything works fine. I'm really satisfied. Now you can see that it's rooted and that the root access works very well. I solved another problem I had here. Night reading mode wasn't working, and that was a little bit problem for me. But now when the phone is rooted, I downloaded the Flux. This is a small application, and you can use night vision or reading mode through this application. So everything works really nice. I just wanted to show you that root access also works on this phone. And that's it for today. Have a nice day. See you soon here on Vision channel. Bye.